again. Let's make a rain in a glass. Keep watching this video. It will be interesting. Welcome to my favorite spot in the house, the experiment lab. Alright, to do this experiment, we need some shaving cream. Be quiet, it's my dad's shaving cream. And food color of your choice. 3/4 of water in a glass. And for safety, a plate. Now, let's put the shaving cream on top of the water. We put the shaving cream on top of the water. The shaving cream is floating. Now, take some food coloring and pour it a little bit in this side and this side. It looks like ice cream now, and amazing red blood raindrops are coming. Creepy, huh? But it's just food coloring, nothing to worry about. And it made like a puddle here. Alright, study time now. We added shaving cream on top of the water. The shaving cream was lighter than the water. That's why it was floating. We added food coloring. Food coloring is denser than the shaving cream. That's why I tried to get down and it sank like blood raindrops. Maybe in one of the exoplanets, it might be blood rain like here. Thanks for watching, wonderful viewers. Please support and subscribe my channel.